Our next startup will explore if guest Wi-Fi can save brick-and-mortar stores. Kevin Zickerman, founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, will also be discussing the importance of social data capture, visitor metrics, and marketing automation. Let's welcome him to the stage.
Hey everyone, my name is Kevin Zickerman. I am founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and today I'm here to talk about a very big problem. Brick and mortar retailers, as we know it, are being Amazon. I mean, put up your hand if you've done this before. You go to a store, the only reason you go there is to feel, try, and touch the product, but then you pull out your phone and you end up buying it online. This is a major problem for retailers. I mean, they still have the advantage now. There are physical people coming to their locations, but they're not connecting with them. And if they don't do something soon, if they don't adapt, they're going to die. Now, according to Oracle, almost 60% of all shoppers demand in-store Wi-Fi. And according to Cisco, 96% of consumers prefer to shop at stores that have free Wi-Fi, and they're also more likely to return. So we thought about this as a massive opportunity in the industry. What if we could convert at expense of Wi-Fi into a return on investment? What if we could monetize existing Wi-Fi hardware? We could automatically build a customer database. We could integrate with existing marketing automation software, and we can grow new revenue streams for digital agencies and managed service providers. And that's why 4 years ago we started My Wi-Fi Networks, the leading guest Wi-Fi platform with social data capture, visitor metrics, and marketing automation. So here's how it works. Step one, you would connect to a free open Wi-Fi network the same way you would in any retail location. We layer over existing Wi-Fi hardware so we're able to leverage the expense that retailer has already spent on their infrastructure. Step two, the user is asked to engage by logging in with Facebook, email, social media, SMS numbers, and more, and we capture all of that data. We capture the full name, email address, phone number, device type, the time they spent there, their birthday, gender, and more. Then the magic happens when we engage that user in real time on site, and then we send that data to any third-party marketing software. We automate email, SMS, and chatbot marketing to retail clients that are physically there and they're letting them walk out the door with no revenue. We capture social data right inside our dashboard. Here's a quick look of our white label platform where we capture all of the data so any agency, retailer, or managed service provider can collect and manage that data. We show all real-time visitor metrics of time spent, number of people on location, how long they spend, or what email they use, and more. We allow any agency to do all of this without any technical coding required. It's a visual plug-and-play splash page editor, which allows you to do everything with no experience required. Chances are you've used one of our systems before without even knowing it. We run in Dunkin' Donuts, in McDonald's, in Pizza Hut, Super 8, UPS, but you'll never see the My Wi-Fi brand. This is part of our scalable growth strategy. We sell a 100% white label captive portal solution, and our channels are specifically franchise direct, digital agency, and managed service providers. What makes us different is that there's ZenReach, Purple Wi-Fi. They insist on having their brand front and center. Retailers, resellers, and agencies do not want this. They want their brand up front. They want to be taking ownership of the entire experience. And that's what we let them do. Our early traction has been really exciting. To date, we have over 3,000 resellers in 54 countries, over 1,000 integrations, and over 75 million people have connected to our Wi-Fi networks. So if you're a digital agency or managed service provider looking to monetize your guest Wi-Fi, sign up for a free trial at mywifinetworks.com. If you're an investor looking to help us build the future of Wi-Fi, please contact me at kevin@mywifinetworks.com. Thank you guys so much and enjoy your time in Toronto.